Hey, what's up, everybody? Hobby B2 family, please check in down below. So, and of course, hey, welcome to 2020, and welcome to, I guess, a new thing that gonna be doing here on both Instagram TV and YouTube. So, some of you probably asked for it here from my alternate YouTube channel, where where I did another thing. A lot of you probably don't know about here. And that is, of course, I also used to film elevators. So, because I figured there's a big community on YouTube called elevator photography, and I used to get into that. So some of you requested, and we're going back into that, I guess, now, right here on the same channel where I find other food vlogs and all the stuff, which is why it's called Robbie P2 Vlogs. And, of course, we are outside of the First Bank Tower here in downtown Colorado Springs. We're going to ride some elevators. And of course, I have not been on these in a while, so these are, of course, we've got the main bank here. These are actually Otis. These used to be Otis lexan, I believe, and they got modernized with the square innovation fixtures. So, and let's go down to 2P. So, you can barely see the indicator there. It's an old style lineup indicator. This is 2P. This is into the parking deck. So, as you can see here, and let's see if we get a full ride. So, got fixtures. Phone, ADA compliant phone, in the garbage. Hello. So, and wow, these things are rockets. So, thing indicator may be burned out though. Ooh, okay. And here we are on top floor, 14. So. Yeah, and of course, let's get out here and get a view. So, that's Colorado Springs. There's a Gazette here. There's what's now Stockman's Bank. If you see a little bit down there, there's a new hotel, New Hilton Garden Inn down there. So, and let's go ahead and see if we get one on this side here. So, again, I think these were modernized in the 90s with innovation square fixtures. It used to be a Otis lexan touch sensitive. So, but not too sure about that. But if any enthusiast who's been here long enough, knows for sure, please let me know in the comments. So, and alright, so getting this elevator here. So, and looks like, let's see, what are they doing here? Oh, we can go down to 3. Down to 3P, that is. So, I think they're using this as a service elevator right now. So, ooh, which is probably why they have the pads up. So, ooh, that did not sound good. So, excuse me there. So, I decided I'm just gonna get off. So, okay. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and more elevator videos to come soon. Robbie P2 out.